How to check reserved storage size in Windows 10. Reserved storage in Windows 10 and 11 helps keep things running smoothly by setting aside space for important system updates and processes. It's a built-in way to make sure your device stays stable and reliable. In this video, we'll briefly discuss how to check the reserved storage size in your Windows 10 PC. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is reserved storage? Reserved storage is a portion of disk space, typically around 7 GB, set aside by Windows for updates and essential system processes. It stores the following: Windows Update downloads, temporary files, system apps and features. While the actual size of this storage adjusts based on how you use your device, it's relatively minimal compared to typical drive capacities of 250 GB to 500 GB. This small storage space goes a long way in maintaining system performance and preventing update issues. How to check reserved storage size. Press Win+I to open settings. Go to System, Storage. Click Show More Categories below the Temporary Files section. Select System and Reserved. The Reserved Storage section will display the allocated disk space. Check if reserved storage is enabled. This method will require administrative privileges. Press Win+R, type CMD, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open the command prompt as an admin. Run this line: dism/online/get-reserved storage state. This command indicates whether reserved storage is enabled or disabled. Enable or disable reserved storage. You can also use command prompt to either enable or disable reserved storage. Check out our blog for the full commands. However, we don't recommend disabling reserved storage. This can cause potential update issues and system instability. Instead, you can free up space by deleting temporary files, enabling storage sense, or uninstalling unused Windows features. While reserved storage does take up space, it's there for good reason. Instead of turning it off, it's better to manage your disk space smartly to avoid slowdowns and keep your system performing well. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to check reserved storage size in Windows 10, linked in the description below.